Hello guys, today we're going to be doing a coin calculator or like a cashback. So like when you go to like a store, the cashier will have an easier time finding how much coins she needs to give you or he needs to give you. So in this time we're not going to make a full loop, we're just going to see what we come up with. So I'm planning on not making a full loop actually. So let's start by making a variable called num. We'll take input on how much money they're getting back, how many cents, or yeah, and we only have cents here. We have 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, and 1 cent. We don't have any paper money. We only have coins, and we don't have a 50 cents. So we'll just ask how much change you need. Let's just say 01, and then and it will just say how much change you want. And if you write any number, it's not going to do anything. And now we're going to start our if statement. If integer num is divided by 25 is bigger and equal to 0, then do make quarters equal to integer num 2 divided by symbol. What this does is, let's say you would if you divide 2 5 by like if you divided something and it was supposed to be like 2.5. What this does is it doesn't put 5, it just keeps the 2, or it rounds it up to 3. So we'll say divided by 25, and then go back here and say print quarters. This is how much quarters the cashier has to give back. And then we want remaining, so we know how much we need to pay back. So how much nickels or dime or pennies we need to get back. Let's make a new variable called remaining. First integer num, and then minus quarters times 25. So now we forgot our comma in 26. It will say quarters. We need to pay 1 quarter, and it doesn't say the pennies yet because we haven't gone to that one. And now you can just copy this, Control C, go down here, get off this statement and make another statement, and change quarters with nickels. But for nickels, we will be doing 10, not 25, because nickels are 10. And then you'll make a new remaining called N remaining, because this is for nickels remaining. And we don't need this, we need the other remaining from our quarters, which is and now let's say we said we got 30 35 cents to give. It says quarters 1, nickels 3, because it didn't minus it, because first we need to take off the thing, which we will do. Yep. So, and in order to do that, we need to make this remaining. And now, if we say 35, it will say 1 quarter and 1 nickel. Still says nickels 3. So, yes, the problem was we needed to change this to remaining, not integer num. So, and now, if we start this and say 35, and to run this again, and say 35 or 6, it says 1 quarter, 1 nickel, but it doesn't know how much pennies or how much dimes. So, again, we're gonna copy this, go down here, paste it. First of all, change this to 5, change all the 10s to 5, and remaining, you'll make it N remaining, and this N remaining with D remaining for dime, and they will get rid of that, and they will add dime instead. And this N remaining will be N. Will be an N. So, yeah. And now, let me hit run and say we got 40. Does we need to pay quarters. 1 quarter, 1 nickel, and 3, oh, it says nickels again, and 3 dimes, which, again, we just need to fix this, and this, and it should be all fine. And if we just say and remaining for this, it should just work. Let's just say big numbers. So we need to pay 19 quarters and 2 nickels. And if we go here and say 40, they should all be 1, 1, 1, 1, which works perfectly. And now down here for the pennies, the rest is technically has to be pennies, the rest amount. So you can just say print pennies or penny, penny, which is the remaining. The remaining. And we can just if you want, you can just say thank you, first print, and thank you for shopping with. Just put like a big number in. It says you need to say at this much quarters, this much dime, and this much pennies. Thank you for shopping. Now let's pick a number that we know the answer to, like 41. We know that it's always going to be 1. And you can put any number and it will tell you. If we put just 1, it will only say you need 1 penny. 1 penny. And that was for our today's tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Have a good day.